This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Let us look at the trend of the market and current support and resistance levels for today. Let us look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll look at the DXY dollar index. Then we'll start our technical analysis in gold. So today is Thursday, May 5th. And when we look at the events plan for today, from 7 AM we have low impacting news on currency pairs like Australian dollar, yuan, euro, Swiss francs and British pound. Then at 4:30 PM we have British pound currency related high impacting news coming up. Then at 6 PM we have medium impacting news on USD currency pairs. So plan your trades based on this economic event calendars. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. When we look at the trend of the market, previously it was in a very nice bullish trend. I'm drawing a trend line over here. It was nicely taking support on this trend line and it gave breakout from this trend line and started moving on a sideways. So when we look at the price level, it couldn't manage to break the price level of 103.746 and currently it is in a retracement. So if the retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 101.840. So we know from the hourly time frame that currently it is in a bearish retracement. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, we can clearly notice that the price action has taken support at the support level of 1872, 1841 and it is in a bullish trend reversal. And when we look at why this level had acted as a very strong support, we have to move on the left hand side. We can clearly notice that this whole area had acted as a very strong resistance level in the past and now it has acted as a support level and price has bounced back from this level. And we already know that presently the price action is trading in a triangle pattern and it has completed taking support at this level and it is on a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. So if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to take resistance on this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. As mentioned earlier also, as long as the price action is trading above this support line or trend line, it is still in a bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. And when we look at the Fibonacci's retracement level also using the Fibonacci's tool, we can clearly notice that it has taken support at the support level of 78.60% and it is in a bounce back. So if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1920. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I've drawn a bearish channel pattern. Still the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern. Previously it has taken support on this support line from the bearish channel pattern and currently it is taking resistance on this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend and to test the next level of resistance from the daily time frame, which is around 1920. Or else we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side and again to take support around the level of 1872, 1840. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1890 for going on a bullish side trades or else we can expect the price to bounce back and retest on the support level of 1870. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1920, it will be a bullish trend reversal. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to test this resistance level of 1920 and to bounce back on the bearish side to start a range bound market. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is clearly in a very nice bullish trend. All this momentum had happened due to the news yesterday, and currently it is trying to break the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern from hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1920 from the daily time frame. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect it to complete its double top pattern, which means it will be retracing back to the level of 1871. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has broken this resistance line. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, in 5 minutes time frame also we are noticing the very nice bullish trend. The price action is trading above this trend line. As long as the price action is trading above this trend line, you can take trades on the bullish side. And if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1920. Let me mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, the candlestick has momentarily broken this trend line. That's all analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.